Hello everyone, welcome back. Rajbhushan and Advat here.
Hi everyone.
Okay, so ready for new lesson?
Yeah.
So today we are going to learn about changing the speeds of your characters.
Okay.
Like you see on the screen, we are going to make this project today. So they are racing and let's see who wins. Okay, monkey wins the race.
Monkey wins.
Alright, so let's go to our home page and let's see how do we do that. Okay, so we go to home page and what do we do to start a new project?
Click on the plus button.
Click on the plus button. Okay, and then so to make the race, what we had in that race is we had a different background. So we'll go to change background button and pick a say savannah. Okay, right, so this is the background we picked. Now we don't need the cat in the race, so we'll remove the cat and we'll get a new character. So how do I get a new character?
Click on the plus
Tap
button.
on this plus button and then I'll pick zebra. Okay, and I have a zebra here. Okay, now what do we do to start our script? First we add a green flag, right? And we are adding green flag so that when you tap on green flag your script runs, right? And let's move zebra a little bit to the side, maybe here. Okay, so pay attention. I'm going to this orange block which is control block, and under control you see this set speed. Okay,
speed.
so this is the block we are focusing on today. So this block has an arrow at the bottom. If you tap on that arrow, it has three options. So these are slow, medium and fast. Okay, so for zebra we'll keep it slow. And then once you set the speed, we will make it go
12 steps.
Let's say 12 steps. Okay, and we'll have another character and we'll give the similar script to that character also. So let's add another character. Let's pick a monkey, add it, and now I'll show you another trick. You have this script for zebra, alright, and we are going to have almost the same script for monkey. So we don't need to create the same script. I'll just tap on this script here. I'll tap on it and hold it, and I'm going to drag it on top of monkey, and I'll just leave it. And when I tap on monkey, monkey also has the same script. Okay,
that's cool.
Yeah, so all we are going to do here is we are just going to change the script for monkey to make it fast. Okay, and let's place the monkey also next to zebra so that they start their race together. Good. Now when we tap on green flag, monkey is going fast and zebra is going slow.
Too slow.
Okay, so that's how the race is. Now if we want to make the same thing as we had on the screen, we'll add another screen, another page, go to the change background, add the same savannah background and remove the cat from here, and we'll add a new character, same monkey. Okay, and now when monkey is here, let's put him here, we'll give him a new script on page 2. So on page 2 what he'll do, he'll hop once, he'll hop twice, and he will go back to screen 1. Okay, so we learned about using page 1 and page 2 in the previous video. So if you missed that, go back and watch that video, and I'll suggest you watch all the videos in sequence so that you don't miss any important concept. Okay, and now let's see. So this is page 2 script. I'm going to tap on page 1 again, and what I need to do once the race is over, I need to take my monkey to the next page. So I drag the page 2 here. So what will happen, they will start running, and when monkey's script is completed, he will go to page 2. And when we see on page 2, what we have done is we have given him 2 hop. Maybe let's give him a dialogue also. So we'll add this say block and we'll make him say
I won.
I won. Alright, good. So we are all set. Now let's go to screen 1 again, or page 1. We'll go to the presentation mode and I'll tap on this green flag, and monkey won the race.
That's cool.
And monkey is winning the race every time.
Yep.
Okay?
Zebra is too slow.
Did you like that?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is how we use the speed block to do stuff. Okay,
Okay.
but there are other things also we can do with the speed block, not just make them race. Okay, so let's add another page just for learning, and see, I have this cat, and if I want to make it shrink, let's say this is the shrink block.
Okay.
So what we can do is we can take this set speed block and change it to slow. Alright, and when I tap on this, it is shrinking slowly.
Okay.
Okay, now I'll have to make it bigger. So I'll go to this, and let's say if I want to make it grow fast, what I can do is change the speed to fast.
Yeah.
And then tap on it, and it grew faster.
Yeah.
Okay, so these kind of motions where you are growing something, you are shrinking something, or maybe if we want to make it disappear. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll again go to the looks block and I'll make it hide fast.
Okay.
And then what we'll do, we'll make it appear slow. Okay, let's see how that looks. Okay, so the cat will hide fast and then it will appear slowly. So when I tap on this script, it was too fast.
Yep, too fast.
So let's see, let's make it appear slowly. Appear and disappear slowly. Let's see how that looks. See?
It was slow, we can even see it disappear.
It was slowly
disappearing and then slowly coming.
Correct? Or if we try here, we want to make it grow, let's say 8 times.
No, it's shrink.
Oh yeah, this is shrink. So we will remove this and we'll make our cat grow slowly, and let's grow it 8 times. So let's see how that looks. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, and now if you want to shrink it and you want to shrink it fast, what we can do is we'll use the shrink block, shrink it again 8 times, and change the speed to fast. And when I tap on it, see,
super speed,
it shrank quickly. Okay, so there are other ways of using the speed block, not just for running. You can use it for shrinking, disappearing, growing, and so use your imagination and make all sorts of combinations. Okay, now another important thing is when we make them race, let's say here, I'll get rid of this whole script. So another important thing, if I want to remove this whole script, I'll just drag the whole thing up, and this is gone. And this is gone. Okay, so what I can do is I'll take this flag and I'll give them a speed. So we'll go to control, I'll start the cat with slow motion, and cat will go forward, say 5 steps. Then what I can do is I can change the speed to fast. And then cat can go next 5 steps with the fast speed. Okay, you understand that?
Yeah.
So cat will start from the slow speed, it will go 5 steps forward, then it will change the speed to fast, and then go 5 steps forward with the fast speed. Okay, so when I tap on the green screen, see, slowly and then fast. Right? So that's another way of using speed blocks. So you can make your characters go fast, then slow, then medium, or however you want. Okay, so that is all for today. Keep making a lot of combinations with these different blocks: show, hide, fast, and move, grow, shrink, all that, right? Mix everything together and see how it works. Alright, so that's it for today. And remember, what is the best way to learn?
Practice, practice, practice.
So keep practicing, and we'll talk to you in the next video.
You can learn anything other than